go. used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that alarm lit, you can only mean one thing. I know when that alarm lit, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left off. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that alarm lit, that can only mean one thing. I know when that alarm lit, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone.
She moved out of state, she doing left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is doing legit, Shawty is doing legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life and I'm just recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important and shit, you know I'm supporting this shit. We used to be pornos when you would come over, but now you got Mars and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit, don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, she doing left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit, Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life and I'm just recording this shit. Daddy's not around, mama's definitely not around. She got a business plan, but she just ain't had time to write it down. Stay with her sister now, she got a man, but he out of town. Soon as he out of town, they hop in his whip and they ride around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and they get to slide. Thought about trapping and playing before, but that just ain't right. Look in the mirror if you wanna look at some things on the bright side. Clock at 325, you feeling too good to wait at night. She moved out of state and shit then went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get to I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit, Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life and I'm just
Been waking up in the crib, sometimes waving trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they said we doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out the rest of the private man. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, I wouldn't regret it. Left me with dead, and now they won't get it. Yeah. All they still beating, my niggas still eating. Can't go to look like they want to eat it. Hello, talk better, spilling the tea. And Shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. When they had it, didn't last that bad. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where these niggas be at when they say we doing all this and all that?
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for DonMily hair. It's been quite some time since I've actually done a review for them, and since it is December time, I did want to do a really cute bob. So this bob is actually pre-cut. If you don't know how to cut hair, don't worry because this unit actually comes like this. I did not cut this hair. I didn't even like fix it because I'm not gonna lie, there was a piece over here that I really wanted to like cut to just make it perfect, but I think it's actually a really great unit, and I'm not sure on the inches for this one, but I would say it's probably about like a 14-inch hair to about like a 10-inch hair. This is about 10 inches. I don't think this is longer than that. And then on this side, we're looking at about probably 14 when you pull the hair or whatever. But I'm never, let me tell you guys something right now. If you're new to my channel, you don't know this, but if you have been here and you've been around, you guys should know, I never know the inches to the unit. I don't know any of the details about the hair. The companies send me a unit, I review the unit, they send me the description box. I don't make the links for the description box. They email it over to me, I copy and paste, okay? So if there's ever a time where some information is missing, that's on the company because I don't know. They sent it to me, okay? I don't order. It's not like I go online and I place an order and I'm ordering these units for myself. I am an influencer, so companies send me free product to review. So anyways, back to this unit though, you guys. Let's quickly get into the pros and the cons to this unit because the cons are like very quick and I can just go through it real quick because I always like to be honest. Like if there is something that I don't like, I'm gonna let you know. Like I don't like this, I don't like this. I wish they could make this a little bit better. So let's talk about it. So the only con that I would say I have with this unit is that it's a little bit too bulky for me, and I did have to make some adjustments so that it can fit me. So as far as like the sizing, this unit runs on the larger side. So if you even have a normal size unit, you're probably gonna want to downsize in the size for this one because they make this unit very big, at least for me. You guys know I have a small head. My head is very petite, it's small, so I want my units to fit snug, and in order for me to make this unit fit how I want it to fit and not like have this big like bulging side, because at first, like if you guys compare what my hair looks like now versus like a few moments ago, it was more poofy on this side. And how I fixed that was I basically doubled up the I basically like scrunched up the material that was like extra, and then I used a bobby pin and I pinned it in the back. I'm gonna try to see if I could kind of show y'all what I did here, but this is what I ended up doing. Can you see the bobby pin right here? Hopefully y'all can see the bobby pin. But I just pinned it so that I can like take some of the material and like make it smaller because it was just too much extra space. Like even on this side, it's like sticking out a lot because it's so much extra like lace. Like I can pinch the lace. I wonder if I can move the hair so you can see it. So that's really the only con that I have with this unit. I don't have any other cons. I absolutely love everything else about it. I love the cut to this unit, and I actually really like the lace. Now I did do a little bit of baby hair here and here, but other than that, there's nothing here and there's nothing on the other side of this hair. So if I pull the hair back, this is what the lace is looking like. And I didn't melt the lace, really. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this a quick one, or I might have to do a voiceover. So I'm really sorry, you guys, but I'm actually gonna have to make this outro very short and sweet because my neighbor downstairs, she actually has people over. It's 10:30 at night and we're not even supposed to make noise after 10 p.m. So yeah, and she's pretty loud. I know you guys could probably hear their conversation underneath me because they're literally right underneath me. So I'm gonna make this really quick. I love the hair. I love the flow to the hair. I think the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love the cut to this hair, and I like the fact that the lace melts perfectly. As you guys can see, I don't have any baby hairs here, and you guys see what the lace is giving. I like the parting space. I was able to do a nice curved part in my unit, and you do get a decent amount of space in the frontal area. I like the fact that this is more so of like a true lace frontal unit than it is like one of those horseshoe type of frontals. I don't really like the horseshoe frontals, okay? The ones where it's like very little space on the side, you get majority of your parting space in the middle. I like the fact that they do give you some space here on the side, so if you wanted to, you can curve your part like such, and you don't have any issues there with like tracks or anything. I am wearing a dress, by the way. I'm gonna stand so you guys can see my little tube dress. So, my cute little tube dress with my Babiana. It's cute. And I got this from Shein. So if any of you guys are wondering where I get my clothes from, I get 99% of my stuff from Shein. So if you ever see anything on me and you like it, go on Shein, girl, because that's where I got it from. If it's not Shein, then it's AliExpress. But I don't even shop on AliExpress like that because, girl, Shein, hello? And it's quick and it's cheap. And you could be getting discounts and coupons. So yeah, Shein. And that's where I also got these little cute little heart-shaped earrings. I don't know if you guys can tell. Because it also is like little hearts here. So I matched it with my little heart-shaped studs. And then I just did like this little curly cute little piece right here. Super cute. So we love that. But yeah, you guys, so that about wraps up today's review. I hope you guys really enjoyed this review. If you do, let me know. Leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on today's unit. If you guys are interested in picking up this unit, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, DonMily Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful bob. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.